Today I'm going to show you a quick way to make pickled onions. To get started, we're going to make first our brine for our pickled onions. So I'm going to turn on the heat for our saucepan, and we're going to first put in here a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and a half a cup of water. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. And we're just gonna cook this until the sugar and the salt dissolve. We don't have to bring it to a boil, we just have to make sure that it dissolves into the liquid. So you're gonna heat this up until you don't see any more of the sugar or the salt. So it's completely dissolved into our liquid. And that's it. Now we're gonna go and cut up our onions. So we have our brine here. I'm gonna bring this over. We have a jar that seals completely, airtight. Need to make sure. And we have some peppercorns, red pepper flakes. I have some herbs, garlic, and our red onion. So we're gonna cut our onion here. So we're gonna peel the onion, and now we're gonna slice it. We're just gonna do half moon slices, just like that. And we're gonna add that to our jar. So pickled onions are definitely an acquired taste, but my kids love them actually on sandwiches. So you could do this jar and then keep them in the refrigerator for several weeks, and they're ready to go. So there's all of our onion. And we're gonna add it right to our jar here. This jar might not be big enough to fit all of our onion. So I'm gonna leave the rest of this here, and we'll just pickle as much as we can fit in this jar here. So I'm gonna add 1 garlic smash, 1 garlic clove to that. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme that I've chopped up, some peppercorns, a little red pepper flakes to make them a little bit spicier, and then I'm gonna pour the brine right over that. We wanna submerge all of the onions in the liquid, so I'm gonna push that down. So I'm pushing down our onions to fill up the jar. And as I'm doing this, I might just add a little bit more to the jar. And then we're gonna let this sit. I like to let this sit at least overnight so that it gets pickled. And then tomorrow, we're gonna check it out. For this recipe and tons of others, check out my website at nikkigleckis.com.